Hello guys, so today mag-unbox ulit tayo ng cube galing kay M&M Cube Shop. Thank you M&M Cube Shop for sponsoring this video. So today nga ang i-unbox natin is the Maylong B2M. So ito yung kauna-unahang Maylong B2M dito sa Pilipinas. So okay guys, open na natin to. So inside the box, makikita natin is the cube itself and a pamphlet. So okay, ilagay muna natin yan sa gilid. Kasi yung cube ang ating main focus here. Wow, this cube is so light. So okay guys, let's do some first turn. Wow, this cube is so amazing. Out of the box, controllable na kaagad siya. So may recommend ko talaga siya sa mga beginners na mga gustong mag-try ng pyramids. So okay, try nating lagyan ng lube. Okay, try natin ulit. So okay, overall this cube is so good. And alam ko na pag inilabas na to is budget friendly to. Kaya may recommend ko talaga siya sa mga beginners na gustong mag-try ng pyramids na event. So that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys for my next videos.